My name is Jenna. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm a retail sales assistant, and I also work as a personal stylist. The knowledge and the connections they have with people here in Bali, like, it's going to make me remember everything because the people are so lovely and they're so friendly. And then the Getaway Co just know everywhere to go. Like, they're so organised. I felt so safe and that we could just be ferried around, and I trusted the drivers and I trusted the guides. And here the hotel staff have been amazing. I don't think it's going to be a trip that I will ever forget. It's definitely so easy and so enjoyable at being vegan. They know all the places to go. I haven't had to worry that I might get some sort of meat in my dish or something. Yeah, I haven't had to worry about anything, which is what I really like. If you're thinking about doing this tour, it is really a must do. It's just been the most amazing time. It's been worth every single minute of even climbing a mountain at 2 a.m. in the morning.